For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
If your kitchen slices bread every single day, this will sound familiar. Uneven cuts, wasted time, and staff slowing down when orders pile up. I've seen this exact problem in bakeries and coffee shops, especially during morning rush. That's where the commercial bread slicer 370W electric stainless steel with 12mm blades actually earns its place. This slicer is built for real commercial use. The 370W pure copper motor delivers steady power with low noise, which matters when the machine runs for hours. From what I've experienced in food prep environments, reliable motors reduce downtime and keep the workflow smooth. It can slice up to 31 pieces at once, saving serious prep time when volume is high. The body is made from 304 stainless steel, the same material used in most professional kitchen equipment. It handles moisture, frequent cleaning, and daily wear without issues. Cleaning is fast, which helps staff stay focused during busy shifts. What really helps day-to-day is the adjustable sizing. It supports bread from 4.3 inches to 15.4 inches wide, so switching between sandwich bread and larger loaves is easy. The 12mm blade spacing keeps every slice consistent, which improves portion control and presentation. Clean cuts, stable operation, easy movement, and consistent results. If bread is part of your daily service, this slicer quickly becomes a tool your team relies on, not just another machine on the counter.